Good day and welcome back to week 36 of Deck Trains. And we're back with another TEE train set. This service proved so popular on the international side that railway companies tried to fill a marketing niche by repainting Locos and Rolling Stock into that highly marketable red and cream TEE livery and using them not only internationally but as intercity contests. Here we have Fleischmann's 1967 set number 374, 4 coaches, T, the TEE Helvetia Express. This locomotive was introduced in '67 and the coaches had been around for a year before that. And the DSG Coaches with their cream roofs since 1965. Previous to 1965 they were a silver roof. Now here we go, part 1, the Fleischmann number 4336 BOBO DB TEE BR 112 310-8 locomotive pulling a rack of 3 first-class TEE coaches, number 1500 T with a DSG Speisewagon, the diner, number 1503. I hope you're going to enjoy this beautiful set as much as I have. In part 2, we're going to have a little bit of fun. There's going to be the addition of some deadheading blue and cream Rheingold Coaches. These are numbered 1500 R instead of the T for the red and cream. And of course, we're going to toss in the 1971 Fleischmann's number 5569 DB Track Cleaning Wagon. But wait! Yes, plus the 1989 Fleischmann 5568 Track Cleaning Wagon. A double header of cleaning. DSG, a company that provides sleeper and dining cars, is a company very much like our contract restaurant services here in the United States. On the East Coast we have Aramark and Thompson Hospitality. The German sleeper and dining car company Deutsche Schlafwagen und Speisewagen Gesellschaft was founded in 1949, and after a merger in 1994, it's now adopted the name of the larger company, Mitropa. And as a little tidbit, Trans-Europe Express TEE was an all first-class service, founded in 1957, lasting until 1995. The trains from most countries in Western Europe were built to a first-class standard and diesel-powered, because, well, like any different country, things are different, so the overhead catenary was powered on different voltages across Europe. Many of the electrics had multiple pantographs to take advantage of that, and those that did not stayed within their country. Well, so much for part 1 and part 2, and a little bit of fun with adding even more TEE coaches from the Helvetia set to the end. And we hope to see you next week for another crocodile.